Assalamu alaikum. My name is Shakirullah. Surah Hujurat ayat number 1. Ya ayyuhallazina amanu la tuqaddamu bayna yaday Allahi wa rasulihi wattaqullahi innallaha sami'un alim. Translation: O believers, do not put yourself ahead of Allah and His Rasul. Fear Allah, surely Allah hears all and knows all. In this ayat, Surah Hujurat ayat number 1, it is a clearing warning for all of us who claim to have belief in Allah and Prophet that we should never put our own ideas, our theories, and our intellect ahead of Allah's commands or the teaching of His messengers. We should fear Allah and remember that His intellect of our is also His own gift, and He gave it to us so that we should use it to understand His words and His absolute authority over us. And second ayat number Surah Hujurat, Ya ayyuhallazina amanu la tarfa'u aswatakum fawqa sawti an-nabi wa la tajharu lahu biqawlin kajahri ba'dikum li ba'din an tahbata a'malukum wa antum la tash'urun. Translation: O believers, do not raise your voices above the voice of the Prophet, nor speak aloud when talking to him as you speak aloud to one another, lest your deeds should come to nothing while you do not even perceive it. In this ayat,